Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with an eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to be using the Spicy Betch palette from Tarte. This is what it looks like. I showed it recently in a Ulta haul video and it's just got a bunch of really fun bright colors inside. It's very summer appropriate. It's not summer yet, but here in Southern California we've decided to hit like the mid-90s in the next couple of days, and I hate summer. I hate when it's hot. I like about 50 to 73 degrees is my preferred temperature. But alas, it is hot and I decided to create a summery look today. So going in with this palette, I'm not entirely sure what I want to do. My original thought was to kind of do like a neutral look with a pop of like bright yellow in the inner corner, but we'll see what happens. I am going to find a brush and go from there. So I'm going to be using this SL Miss Glam SS57 and I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's called Intense. It's like a peachy apricot shade and I'm just going to kind of work this through the crease. It does have a lot of really good pigmentation. I do like that. And it's the lightest shade in the palette. So I think it'll really work to create like a transition shade if I end up layering any other colors on top. If not, it will just be like a really nice crease shade. So I do like that color already, very pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. So what have you guys been up to during this whole stay-at-home order self-isolation thing? Where are you at and like what's the rule there? Like here in my county we have a stay-home order, but then it's also like go out and walk and run and hike, so it's kind of counterproductive, I guess. It doesn't really make sense. It's very kind of open-ended and everyone's just really confused about it. So that's what it is here. It's very interesting. The school that I work at, or the district that I work at, and the county actually, closed schools for the rest of the school year, which really doesn't come as a shock, but I am curious to know what's going to happen the next school year. I've heard some universities are going to do just online up until January and then go back to campus, but how would that work in like an elementary type setting is what I'm confused about. So I don't know, just waiting to hear what's gonna happen. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here. It's called Smoke Show. It's like an orangey pumpkin spice color. Oh, and I just dug my fingernail into it. Cool. Alright, well, moving on. Using the same brush, I'm just going to kind of deepen up the color that I just placed down. Ooh, that's orange. And I'm probably going to go on a walk later today just to get out and get some fresh air. So this is really going to complement my face mask that we have to wear out. It's really going to, you know, kind of tie the whole look together. I hope you guys know, like, I'm being sarcastic and just kind of joking around. I might actually go on a walk, I don't know, we'll see. But I have kind of like a dry sarcasm sense of humor, and I tend to make a lot of like sarcastic jokes and comments. So this shade, it actually looks like on my eyes it has some shimmer in it, but in the pan it looks matte. Interesting. And now just to jazz things up, I'm going to use this shade right here, the bright orange color called Extra Hot, and just kind of work that in with those other two shades. So yeah, things I've been doing during this stay-home order. I've been watching a lot of Netflix and Hulu and Disney Plus. I've taken up painting again. I post some of my work on my Instagram. which is Green Eyed Beauty 90. I've been watching a lot of Instagram lives, watching a lot of YouTube. I've been doing a lot of writing and cleaning. You know what the thing is about cleaning right now though? Is back in the corner of my living room, right over there, I've got a pile that's probably 4 feet tall and 3 feet wide, and it's stuff to donate, and every place to donate is closed. So my cleaning, which was supposed to make my place look nicer, actually made it look worse. So that's always fun. I have been cooking a lot though, and I've been working from home, which is interesting, but I actually love it. My mental health feels like it's never been at this good of a place. I feel very relaxed and very calm most days. I do have some days where I'm still kind of on edge, but I think overall, like working from home, I'm really thriving with it and I love it. So I'm able to complete my work and take breaks to do yoga. That's something I started doing yoga to clean up a little bit, and I'm still able to get all my work done. So I don't know, I really like this work from home thing. I know it's not for everyone, but it's really working for me. So I really like that. All right, I really do want to use this yellow shade. It's called Fierce. And I think I'm just going to kind of work it, I don't know, into the inner corner part of the eyelid. I'm not sure. I feel like I need to change brushes though, because that one's dirty with the orange now and I don't want it to meddle together. Maybe this brush. Let's try this one. This is the Firma 204. It's just a shader brush. So let's see. Ooh, this might be the most pigmented yellow that I've ever used. A lot of times yellows, when you apply them, they just kind of like brush away. But this one's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. I love yellow shadows. I think that they're so pretty and so fun. And I love, like I said, just doing like a neutral, like taupey brown shade in the crease, and then popping this into the inner corner like a yellow. I think that it's so beautiful. I did that a lot last year, and I'm looking forward to doing it again this year. That's gorgeous. I'm just kind of blending them together, brushing them together, the orange and the yellow. It looks like a monarch butterfly's wings. That's pretty. Okay, so I think we're gonna do something a little risky here. I am going to go back in with the first brush I was using, and I'm gonna use Caliente, which is kind of like this reddish watermelon shade, and just apply a little bit of that to the outer corner. My boyfriend's gonna come over later, and he's gonna just look at me and be like, what'd you do? That's a lot of color on your eye. But I think it's pretty. No, he typically supports everything that I do with my makeup. His one request, not makeup related, just like in general, is that I don't dye my hair lavender, which makes me sad because I really want lavender hair, but I'm also too wimpy to go ahead and do lavender hair, so it's never gonna happen anyways, but I like to tease him with it. And I'm sorry, I have my sliding door open because it's hot in here, and if I run the fan or the AC, then like the microphone on the camera really picks that up, so now instead it's picking up the people working outside, so sorry. Okay, I'm gonna take the Firma brush again, and I'm gonna apply some of the yellow to my lower lash line. This brush might be too thick for this actually. It seems to be working. Maybe, we'll see. I think I'm gonna change to a smaller detail brush. This one is from BH, and it's just a small flat shader brush. Going back in with the yellow. And then I'm gonna go in with the bright orange shade. I'm so sorry about that noise. Let me go close my door. So I just closed my door, but the worst part is they're working like right outside my apartment, and even though I'm on the second level, it's it's still very present, the noise. So going back in with that orange on the other eye and just blending it together. And then I'm gonna take that reddish shade I have with my lash. I'm gonna take that reddish shade and put that closer to the inner corner. So it's kind of like opposite of what we did on the lid. There we go. That is quite the look. I think that's all I'm gonna do with the palette. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and put on some mascara and eyeliner, and then I will show you guys the completed look. Alright guys, so I am back. I added my eyeliner, my mascara, tight line waterline, some lip gloss, as well as some highlighter to underneath my brow bone and my inner corners, and I think the eye look turned out really, really pretty. I'm really happy with it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little fun summer hot neon orange yellow tutorial, and I hope that you guys are all doing well and staying safe. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down below what you guys have been up to, and I will talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.